Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop-down accordion-style FAQ to your Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to organize information and make your site more user-friendly, allowing visitors to quickly find answers without scrolling through walls of text. First, you'll want to head over to squarespace.com and log into your account. Once you've entered your credentials and landed on your dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add the drop-down accordion-style FAQ. This will take you into the editor for that specific site. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with various options. Click on Website, and directly beneath it, you'll find Pages. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll manage all the pages and navigation for your site, giving you full control over your site's structure and layout. Here's where it gets interesting. You'll need to decide where you want to add your FAQ page. You can place it in the main navigation so it's easily visible to visitors, or you can add it to the Not Linked section if you prefer to link to it manually from other pages. For this tutorial, we're going to add the FAQ page to Not Linked. To do this, click the plus icon beside Not Linked, and from the menu that appears, select FAQ. This creates a dedicated FAQ page that's ready to be customized. Now, if you're using Squarespace version 7.1, you're in luck because it comes with built-in templates that already feature drop-down accordion-style layouts. You'll see several design options pop up on your screen. Browse through these templates and choose the one that best fits your website's aesthetic and functionality needs. Once you've made your choice, simply click on it to select it. With your template selected, click Edit to start customizing your FAQ page. You'll want to double-click on the content of the FAQ section, which will allow you to make changes to the existing questions and answers. Here, you can remove any placeholder content that doesn't fit your needs or add new items to expand your FAQ. If you want to edit an existing item, just click on it and you'll be able to modify both the title and description to match your specific questions and answers. But the customization doesn't stop there. You can also edit the design elements to make your FAQ section truly your own. Options include expanding the first item by default so visitors see an answer right away, allowing multiple items to be open at once for easier browsing, adding dividers between questions for better visual separation, and adjusting the icon style, size, thickness, and placement. You can even tweak the row padding to control spacing, add a background color or image, apply a stroke for definition, and adjust the blend mode for creative visual effects. These design tweaks help ensure your FAQ section looks polished and professional while maintaining consistency with the rest of your site. Once you're satisfied with all your changes and the FAQ section looks exactly how you want it, click Save. Your drop-down accordion-style FAQ is now live on your Squarespace website, ready to help your visitors find the information they need quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.